There is a natural area surrounding the Kayalethu River in the township that is threatened by alien invasive plants and pollution. By helping to conserve this area and building a trail through it, we are able to protect the natural vegetation and the animals that rely on it, whilst supporting the Rasta community in their efforts to create an income-generating ecotourism project. Alien invasive plants don't have any natural enemies in the new area, so they will grow fast and they will outgrow natural vegetation. Not only will the plants disappear, but so will other species that rely on those plants. As well as outgrowing native species, another major problem associated with alien invasives is that they often have higher water requirements than indigenous species. Therefore, infestations of invasives in catchment areas, such as the ecotrail, reduce river flow, which is not only detrimental to wetland and riverine ecosystems, but ultimately reduces the amount of water in dams for agricultural, industrial, and domestic use. The trail has 3 main alien invasive species. Pine was imported for the timber trade. It is fast-growing and is often used for furniture, telephone poles, etc. Black wattle was imported from Australia for its tannin-rich bark, which is used in the leather industry as well as for timber. Lantana camara was introduced from Central and South America for use in gardens and for hedging. This unique vegetation occupies a crescent of country at the toe of the continent, reaching from the plateau above Van Reinsdorp in the northwest to Port Elizabeth in the southeast. This region is known as the Cape Floristic region and is home to one of the world's richest floras. Within an area of 90,000 kilometers squared, there are almost 9,000 species of flowering plants, 2/3 of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Cape Fynbos plant communities cover over 41,000 kilometers squared, or a little under half the total area of the Cape Floristic region, and these communities are estimated to contribute 70 to 80% of the region's flora. More than 2,000 Fynbos species are classified as rare or endangered, and one of the major threats is the encroachment of alien vegetation. The Kayalethu Eco-Trail was initiated in 2003 by members of the Rastafarian community residing at Judah Square. The Rastas decided that they would take on the responsibility of rehabilitating the land and developing a sustainable community project. When Edge of Africa was founded in 2007, we adopted the project, and since then we have worked hand in hand with the Rastas to ensure that the area is continually managed. The role of volunteers is to assist with the removal of alien invasive species, to help improve the trail so that it is easier and safer for tourists to walk, to assist with the removal of litter, and sometimes to assist with the planting of indigenous species. Tools required may differ slightly depending on what the specific tasks are for that day, but in general it is a good idea to bring the following: spades, gloves, pangers, and rubbish bags.